In front of me is REDMI Pad 2, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to click on this section called Additional Settings. Now tap on Languages and Import, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard on the left. Finally, click on Corrections and Suggestions to manage all of those switches next to all of those features. Quick tip, I always recommend to enable Suggestion Strip. Once you do that and launch your keyboard, you can click on gear icon at the top of it to access the same section of your settings much faster. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!